everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you an animated video upon the solar system. It will be very informative for all of you. So watch the video till the end and hope you like it. So let's start. Our solar system is just a very small family of heavenly bodies in the vast sky. In the night, the sky is dotted with numerous bodies that are shining and twinkling. In this video, you can see there are millions of shining objects in the sky, and these are called celestial bodies or heavenly bodies. There are 8 main types of celestial bodies, such as stars, planets, satellites, asteroids, comets, meteors, nebula, and the Milky Way. Now, we are going to discuss it one by one. Number 1. Stars. Stars are self-luminous bodies. It means they have their own heat and light. Stars are made up of hot gases giving out flames. They are usually very big in size, but they are very far away from us, and that is why they look very small. In this video, you can see there are millions of stars are shining in the limitless sky. The sun is also a star. It has its own heat and light. It looks very big and bright because it is comparatively nearer to us. The sun is the largest and central member of the solar system. It is the parent of the solar family. Hydrogen and helium are the main gases that make up the sun. And the surface of the temperature of the sun is about 6000 degrees centigrade. Now you can see in this video there are so many dark patches upon the sun, and it is known as sunspot. Number 2. Planets. Some heavenly bodies do not have their own heat and light. They receive the light from the sun. These are known as planets. Now you can see all these planets revolve around the sun on their respective elliptical orbits. Now what is orbit? Already we discussed it in the previous video. Now you can see these planets do not have their own light and they reflect the light of the sun. So they do not twinkle like stars. There are 9 major planets in the solar system. We will discuss it later. Number 3. Satellites. Satellite means attendants or followers that go around the planets. The satellites also have no light of their own and they reflect from the sunlight. You can see our Earth has one satellite that is known as Moon. It also revolves around the Earth. The Moon, it appears so big because it is very close to us. It is our closest celestial neighbor. The Moon is about 384,000 km away from the Earth. Next, asteroids. There are thousands of small bodies of planets revolving around the Sun, and they are called asteroids. In this video, you can see this asteroid is looking like a rocky object, and they are very much smaller than the planets. Now, what are comets? Comets are bright objects with an elongated tail which have curved orbits around the sun. In this video, you can see these comets have a long tail and which is looking very much colorful. When the comet is broken, it is converted into meteors. Meteors are bits of loose rock material which revolve around the sun. When these objects enters the Earth's atmosphere, they move at tremendous speed and causes friction. Sometimes they can be seen as bright objects shooting across the sky, and these are known as shooting stars. Next one, nebula. If we direct our telescope to the space in a clear sky, then we will definitely find many masses of bright gases. These are less bright and present fog-like dimness. You can see in this video these are fog-like bright gases, and these are known as nebula. Nebula are 2 types, galactic nebula and the extragalactic nebula. The last one, Milky Way. Now you can see in this video there are millions of shining stars like the sun, and some of the stars also have planets revolving around them. Such grouping of millions of stars is called galaxy. Our galaxy is called the Milky Way or Akash Ganga. Now we are going to discuss about the major planets of our solar system. All of them move in the same direction as they revolve around the sun. Only Venus rotates in a clockwise direction. Now what are facts about major planets? Number 1, Mercury. It is the closest planet from the sun. The distance from the sun is about 58 million kilometers and the revolution period is about 88 days and it has no satellite. Next one, Venus. It is the second most nearer planet from the sun and the distance is about 108 million kilometers. It revolves around the sun within 225 days and it has also no satellite. Next one, our Earth, and the distance from the sun is about 150 million kilometers. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation and 365 days to complete one revolution. It has the only satellite, that is Moon, and our Earth is also known as the blue planet. It is the only planet where life can exist because it has its own atmosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere, where all the living creatures like plants, animals, trees, human beings can live. Mars is known as the red planet and it takes 24 hours 37 minutes to complete one rotation and 687 days to complete one revolution. It has also 2 satellites. Jupiter is known as the giant planet. It has 16 satellites and it takes 4,333 days to complete one revolution. Saturn is the only planet who has so many rings around it. You can see in this video. It's known as the jewel planet and it has 18 satellites. Next, Uranus. It has 15 satellites and the distance from the sun is about 2,900 million kilometers. Neptune is known as the last giant planet and it has the highest distance from the sun, about 4,500 million kilometers. And the last one, Pluto. Pluto is known as dwarf planet because it has not cleared the neighborhood around its orbit. Now what are the difference between stars and planets? Stars are made up of hot burning gases, already we know that. Planets are made up of solid material like rock and other organic materials. Number 2, stars emit light off and they can twinkle. Planets can shine because of the light of the reflect from the sun. And the last one, stars are very big in size and planets are very small as compared to the stars. These are the basic difference between the stars and the planets. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment it. Thank you.